Hello, my Sena. How are you all? Today we are meeting after a long time, and today I'm back with a very crispy chapter whose name is Complex Number. And friends, you know that this chapter is really complex, like its name. But don't worry, I'm there for you to make this complex chapter a very easy chapter for you all. So today we will directly start with a very important topic of complex number chapter, and that is finding the square root of any complex number. So friends, today I'll tell you three methods to solve this square root problem of complex number. That is, first is by formula method, the second one is by the real method which we are using for state board examination or any of the boards examination, and third one is what you all are always waiting for, that is shortcut. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin. So what we have been given the question that find the square root of the complex number a plus ib. So first we will start directly with the method, not with the formula or not with the shortcut. So first we will start with the method, and what the method tells. So friends, first denote this complex number with any initial. I am taking z is equal to a plus ib, and let's say square root of a plus ib is equals to x plus I y. So friends, over here, these are the initial steps in every method. So what here we will do, just square on both sides, square on both sides, then we will get something like a plus ib equal to x plus I y whole bracket square. Then by solving these all things, we will get solving and correlating. Like if we solve the square of this side and compare it with this side, then comparing LHS and RHS, the real terms on the LHS side and RHS sides are equal, and imaginary terms on the LHS and RHS are equal. So from that we will get it. So here I'll not solve it further, just you all can go through it. This is a big derivation which is used for boards, but the motto of our video is not for boards, so you can solve it by your own. I have given you a brief idea. Just solve it and check whether I am right or not. And here you will just compare real and imaginary terms on LHS and RHS. You'll get your answer, that you'll get the values of x and y, and from that you can find out the square root. This is one method. The other one which I was talking about was a formula. We have a formula to find out the square root of any complex number. So here what the formula is, just denote our, as I told you, the initial steps in all the three methods is same. Denote the complex number by any initial. I'll denote by z. Let's say z is equal to a plus ib. This is our complex number given. So what the formula tells, the square root of z equals to plus or minus in bracket square root of mod z plus a upon 2 plus I into square root of mod z minus a upon 2. This is one formula, and this formula is for b greater than 0. Just note down, this condition is very important friends, because if we miss this part, then our formula will get wrong and your answer will be wrong at last. So just keep in mind that b should be greater than 0 for this formula. Arey yaar, it went in inclined manner, just don't mind it, okay. And the second formula is same, but there is only the difference in sign. So it will be z is equal to, sorry, square root of z equal to plus minus square root of mod z plus a upon 2 minus I into square root of mod z minus a upon 2, and this is for b less than 0. So this is our formula method. Friends, I have completed two methods and now that's time for our shortcut which we are always waiting for. So what the shortcut is, the initial step z equal to a plus ib. Let's say square root of z equal to square root of a plus ib equal to, let's say we have taken over here x plus iy. So I'll take here x plus iy same. So, what the shortcut tells that x square minus y square equal to a. If after solving this, you'll get x square minus y square is equal to a, that is real part, and x y equal to b by 2, which is imaginary part. X square minus y square is equal to a is real part and xy is equal to b by 2 is imaginary part, and this can be solved very easily as like we are solving the quadratic equation. Just split up xy in two terms, let's say l and m, such that l square such that L square minus m square is equal to a. L square minus m square should be equal to a and L into m should be equal to b by 2. Just split those values of x and y. So by solving this, you'll get the values of x and y and you can find out the square root. So this was our today's video. Please do comment and like, share and subscribe. Thank you, friends.